Are you done turning it yet?
No,
Oh no.
they're going just straight south.
Oh no.
Right about now.
Now?
Scan that, baby!
Yeah, scan it.
Scan it, baby. It's scanning, baby.
Scanning, baby.
Yeah, stuff in the making bad.
Alex, you want that sewing machine?
Gotta see if it works first. You don't need to
Oh,
take
yeah.
Hey!
What?
Leave the antenna that way. He's got 6 channels already and it's not done scanning
That
yet.
heater goes.
He has
too.
6 channels and it's not done scanning.
Beautiful, beautiful. 6 channels.
Leave it right there.
Leave it, he says.
Tell him we just moved it. See what he says.
He just moved it. AJ, he just moved it.
Now he's up to 9.
He's up to 9.
See, it helped moving it. Hey, don't.
Hey, AJ, I don't feel like climbing down the ladder. I'm going to jump like
Suck my ass. If you want to, dearie.
I think Austin might be up for it.
That cheap one. Will work.
Okay, that box is moving. Put that in the truck too.
Daddy!
I don't think that's a real beast spray.
Hold it upright.
Hey!
Upright, not sideways.
That's it.
No, upright. There you go.
Yeah, like that. Just coming out like a mist.
You got a better beast spray in there?
That's what he had.
Okay, here, throw that.
It's supposed to come out in like a really sharp stream.
It's like 20 feet.
Yeah.
You can see them dropping. Holy shit, they're dropping. There's a lot of them dropping.
I did. Yeah, at least it works.
More! More!
Keep going!
Alright, well, we got the antenna all moved and Roman's got 9 channels now and he's so excited about that. We're just having to describe it. We got a load of junk here and his old recliner Danny's going to take home and get rid of. Golden Motor's got the lawn mowed. Austin's got the ashes taken out. Austin's girlfriend got a nice sewing machine. Austin's all excited about it. He's going to sew his britches up. We got the chimney clean. Golden Motor's got the lawn mowed. He's got the house kind of cleaned up for now. Now we're going to the bar for supper. AJ's excited.